Hi, hello, namaste. Today I wanted to discuss with you Mathematics 1A, May 2019 Telangana. Useful for all AP also. Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims Dare to Success made in India. Today I came with new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you Mathematics 1A question paper pattern according to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana Board of Intermediate Education premises. Next, here you are having total 3 hours time and total 75 marks question paper. So it can be divided into 3 sections. Number 1, section A, very short answer questions. Section 2 is section B. Here all are short answer questions. Section C is long answer questions. So I am moving to section A. Answer all questions. Here you are having question number 1 to 10 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So 10 into 2, 20 marks. So section A together 20 marks. Now I am going to question number 1. It is from functions. Question number 2, it is also from functions. Question number 3, it is from matrices. Question number 4, it is also from matrices. Question number 5, it is from addition of vectors. Question number 6, it is also addition of vectors. Next, question number 7, it is from product of vectors. Question number 8, it is from trigonometry. Question number 9, it is from trigonometry. Question number 10, hyperbolic functions. Here you are having total 10 questions. You can write all 10 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So 10 twos are 20 marks. Section A total 20 marks. Now I am going to section B. Section B means short answer questions. Short answer question means 4 marks. So here short answer question means 4 marks. You are having total 7 questions, but you can write any 5 questions out of 7 questions. 5 into 4, 20 marks. Section B together 20 marks. Now I am moving to question number 11. It is from matrices. Question number 12 from addition of vectors. Question number 13 from product of vectors. Question number 14. Question number 14 from trigonometry. Question number 15, it is from trigonometric equations. Question number 16, it is from inverse trigonometric functions. Question number 17, it is from properties of triangles. Here you are having total 7 questions, but you can write any 5 questions out of 7 questions. All together 5 fours are 20 marks. Section B together 20 marks. Now I am going to section C. Here answer any 5 questions out of 7 questions. Section C means long answer question. Long answer question means each question carries 7 marks. So 5 7s are 35 marks. Section C together 35 marks. Now I am going to question number 18. It is from functions. Next question number 19. It is from mathematical induction. Question number 20. It is from matrices. Question number 21. It is also from matrices. Question number 22. It is from product of vectors. Question number 23. It is from trigonometry. Question number 24, it is also from product of properties of triangles. So here you are having total 7 questions. You can attempt any 5 questions out of 7 questions. So 5 into 7, 35 marks. I wish you all the very best, my dear students. Practice makes a man perfect. practice keeps a student top level. Now I am moving to Mathematics 1A Blueprint chapter wise according to 2012-2013 academic year question paper pattern from Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana question paper from your Telugu Academy textbook question paper. Chapter 1 is functions. From the functions chapter you are having two very short answer questions and one long answer question. 2 plus 2 plus 4, 4 plus 7 together 11 marks. Now I am moving to chapter 2 mathematical induction. Here you are having only one long answer question. So long answer question means 7 marks. Now I am moving to chapter 3 matrices. It is a very easy chapter and a high scoring chapter in mathematics 1A. So here you are having two very short answer questions and one short answer question, two long answer questions. All together 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 7 22 marks from matrices. Now I am moving to chapter 4 addition of vectors. It is also a very easiest chapter and scoring. So here you are having two very short answer questions and one short answer question. All together 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8 marks from addition of vectors. Now I am moving to chapter 5 product of vectors. This is also a very easiest chapter and high scoring. Here you are having one very short answer question, one short answer question and one long answer question. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 marks from product of vectors. Now I am moving to trigonometry. Trigonometry chapter has two very short answer questions and one short answer question and one long answer question. All together 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 7 15 marks from trigonometry chapter. Now I am moving to chapter 7 trigonometric equations. This is also easiest chapter and it has only one short answer question. So trigonometric equation chapter has 4 marks only. Next I am moving to chapter 8 inverse trigonometric functions. It is also easiest chapter and it has only one short answer question, 4 marks. Inverse trigonometric functions chapter has only 4 marks. Now I am moving to chapter 9 hyperbolic function. Hyperbolic function chapter has only one very short answer question, that is 2 marks. Hyperbolic functions chapter has 2 marks only. Now I am moving to chapter 10 properties of triangles. This is related to some questions and same formulas you can use trigonometry chapter. So properties of triangle chapter has 4 marks, one short answer question and one long answer question. Altogether 4 plus 7 11 marks. Totally 10 chapters. From these all 10 chapters you are going to write 75 marks question paper. So according to this blueprint, my dear friends and students, you can go through which chapters are very easy to you. You can go through first those chapters and you can remember formulas related to topic wise. I wish you all the very best, my dear students and friends. Thank you. Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. Today I came with new trick and a new video. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims dare to success, made in India. Today I wanted to discuss with you Mathematics 1A, May 2019 Telangana paper. Here you are having total 3 hours time and maximum marks 75 marks. You are going to write mathematics 1A question paper according to Telangana and Andhra Pradesh Board of Intermediate Education pattern. Here you are having 3 sections. 3 sections means section A very short answer questions, 2 marks questions. Section B short answer questions, 4 mark questions. Section C long answer questions, 7 mark questions. Now I wanted to discuss with you section A. Answer all 10 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So 10 to the 20 marks. Now I am going to question number 1. If f is mapping from r minus 0 to r is defined by f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube, then show that f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 0. This question is from functions. Now I am moving to question number 2. Find the domain of the real valued function f of x is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 7 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. This question is also from functions. Now I am moving to question number 3. If A is equal to first row 1 0 0, second row 2 3 4, third row 5 minus 6 x, and det A is equal to 45, then we can find the value of x. This question is from matrices. Now I am moving to question number 4. Find the trace of A is equal to first row 1 3 minus 5, 2 minus 1 5, 2 0 1. This question is also from matrices. Now I am moving to question number 5. If A is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k and B is equal to 3i plus j, then find a unit vector in the direction of A plus B. This question is from addition of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 6. Find the vector equation of the line joining the points 2i plus 3j plus k and parallel to the vector 4i minus 2j plus 3k. This question is also from addition of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 7. Find the angle between the vectors I plus 2j plus 3k and 3i minus 2j plus 2k. This question is from product of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 8. Express root 3 into cos 25 plus sin 25 divided by 2 as a sign of an angle. Here sign of an angle means you have to get answer related to sine terms. Now this question is from trigonometry. Now I am moving to question number 9. Express numerator value 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by denominator value 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta in terms of tan theta by 2. This question is also from trigonometry. Now I am moving to question number 10. Prove that numerator value tan hx by denominator value secant hx minus 1 plus one more value numerator value tan hx by denominator value secant hx plus 1 is equal to minus 2 into cosecant hx. Here x is not equal to 0. This question is from hyperbolic functions. So question number 1 to 10 all are related to very short answer questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So you can write all 10 questions. 10 into 2, 20 marks. All questions together 20 marks from section A. Now I am moving to section B. Section B means short answer questions. Short answer question means each question carries 4 marks. Now you can write any 5 questions out of 7 questions. So 5 4s are 20 marks. Now I am moving to question number 11. If A is equal to first row 2 minus 1 2, second row 1 3 minus 4, B is equal to first row 1 minus 2, second row minus 3 0, third row 5 4, then show that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. This question is from matrices. Now I am moving to question number 12. Verify whether the triangle formed by the vectors, first vector 3i plus 5j plus 2k, second vector 2i minus 3j minus 5k, and third vector minus 5i minus 2j plus 3k is equilateral or not. This question is from addition of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 13. Question number 13 is, if theta is the angle between vectors, first vector is I plus j and second vector is j plus k, then we can find the value of sine theta. This question is from product of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 14. Show that cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta by sin theta is equal to 3. This question is from trigonometry. Now I am moving to question number 15. If A, B, C are non-zero real numbers and alpha comma beta are the solutions of the equation A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C. Here A comma B comma C belongs to R, and A square plus B square is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive value. Sin alpha is not equal to sin beta. Then show that sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 2bc by A square plus B square. This question is from trigonometric equations. Now I am going to question number 16. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 13 minus tan inverse 2 by 9 is equal to 0. This question is from inverse trigonometric functions. Now I am moving to question number 17. Prove that cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 equal to s square by delta. This question is from properties of triangles. Question number 11 to 17 are related to short answer questions. Short answer question means 4 marks related. So write any 5 questions out of 7 questions. So 5 into 4, 20 marks. Section B carries 20 marks. Now I am moving to section C. Answer any 5 questions. Section C means long answer question. Long answer question means each question carries 7 marks. So 5 questions out of 7 means 5 into 7, 35 marks. Section C together 35 marks. Now I am moving to question number 18. If F is mapping from A to B and G is mapping from B to C are two bijective functions. Bijective means both one function and on two function you can satisfy. Now then show that G circle F is mapping from A to C is also a bijective function. This question is from functions. Now I am moving to question number 19. Question number 19 is using mathematical induction prove that the statement 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 for all n belongs to n. N is a natural number. This question is from mathematical induction. Now I am moving to question number 20. Solve first equation x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Second equation 2x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6. Third equation x plus 4y plus 9z is equal to 3 by using matrix inversion method. This question from matrices. Now I am moving to question number 21. Show that first row 1 a square a cube. Second row 1 b square b cube. Third row 1 c square c cube is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into ab plus bc plus ca. This question is also from matrices. Now I am moving to question number 22. Find the shortest distance between the skew lines. First line r is equal to 6i plus 2j plus 2k plus lambda into I minus 2j plus 2k. Second line is r is equal to minus 4i minus k plus mu into 3i minus 2j minus 2k. Here lambda comma mu are scalars. Scalars means constant values. This question is from product of vectors. Now I am moving to question number 23. If a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees, then show that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a into sin b into sin c. This question from trigonometry. Now I am moving to question number 24. In a triangle ABC, show that 4 into r1 r2 plus r2 r3 plus r3 r1 equal to a square a plus b plus c whole square. This question from properties of triangles. Question number 18 to 24. All these questions are related to long answer questions. Write any 5 questions out of 7 questions. So each question carries 7 marks. We get 5 7s are 35 marks. From section A 20 marks. From section B also 20 marks. From section C 35 marks. All marks together 75 marks question paper. I wish you all the very best, my dear friends and students. If you wanted to get like these type of previous question papers from subject wise and paper wise, you will search in my channel playlist. So many playlists are there. Otherwise you can search in description box. Here also you will get a playlist from previous year questions and shortcuts playlists are also there, chapter wise and subject wise. So I wish you all the very best, my dear friends and students. Thank you very much. Thought of the day: pain is equal to gain. Without pain you cannot gain. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfy with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. Joy of sharing is caring and helping.